Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Wherever you may be listening to me from on the face of the globe, I am Professor Charles Mwewa. I am the author of Acing the Ontario Paralegal Licensing Exam. It's a bestseller on Amazon. I'm also the author of this next bestseller on Amazon, Ontario Licensing Examination, Preparation Notes and Tips. Preparation Notes and Tips. I've so far, if you've been following me, talked about 3 important preparation hints. The first one was read the materials. The second one was become one with the materials. The third one was know the law. Today, the fourth one is relax, relax, relax. You'll be very shocked how many people fail the exam just because they panic. They don't have a strategy. They arrive in the room or wherever they are doing their licensing examination, banking on luck. There are no serendipitous moments in the licensing exam. Lucky charms don't happen. Preparation happens. Knowledge happens. Understanding what you are doing happens. You don't go there to guess. You go there to ace. So, what do? Relax. As simple as that. Keep your mind at rest. If you panic, you're going to confuse just about everything. And I mean everything. There are some students who did exceptionally well in answering questions, giving the best responses which were suggested. And yet, number 1 was number 6. Number 6 was number 8. Number 8 was number 9. Number 9 was number 11. They had mixed up everything because they panicked. Now, whether you are writing it digitally or on paper, you need to put the correct response in the correct, whatever the process or the type of questioning strategy or even program they use. If you use those Statron ones, which are like dots to shade, or you have to click with a computer mouse on the right response, you must know that number 1 should be number 1 there. When you are transferring your answers, you are doing it correctly. That's just a tip of an iceberg. The other thing is that you fail to read the question. Some people go straight to answers. They didn't even understand what it was asking for. Now, for example, a crime has 2 elements, actus reus and mens rea, the mental element and the action element, the evil element and evil act. You can see mens rea in the paragraph or passage they have brought to you. And if your first thinking, because you are panicking, is it's the evil element, you go to the response to look for evil element, evil thought, or evil thinking, or whatever the derivatives of that or synonyms of that. And you choose that because all you saw was mens rea. But they may not even be asking you a question about mens rea at all. So read the question first. Understand what the passage is talking about. Then you'll be confidently reading the question itself and apply that principle, whatever the language is, into configuring the answer, the best response. Why? Because you are relaxed. Time has never been a factor in licensing exam if you are relaxing. There is a wrong assumption that the quicker you do these things, the easier it is to pass. That's wrong. These are what we call standard examinations, standardized examination. They are not regular classroom exams where the best student is the one who finished everything and got 90% or 100%. No. Raw points count. They are based on percentiles. They don't tell you you passed because you got 99%. If the percentile was in their 20th and you got 99%, the one in the 21st and the one in the 99, they have both passed. Period. Full stop. No one has bragging rights. They have both passed. If both of them got less than what was the cutoff point, they have failed. There is no bragging rights in passing with higher marks and lower marks. Nothing. Both of you have passed. So, what is your secret? You maximize the raw scores. If out of 10 you can get 3 right, rather than 0 right, well, it pays to relax and get those 3 right. You pass. You have managed to add 3 raw points. And if you are participating in an exam with others who have done the same, all of you passed the exam. So each point matters. That's why when I give you some of the tips later, I'll tell you that get the easier one first in. I'll give you other tips. For today, relax. I don't know how you relax, but find a strategy to relax. When you arrive, you know what you are doing. You have a plan, a game plan, a strategy. Your mind is at rest. You are not confused. You can see the questions and you can then identify the best responses. Relax, relax, relax. Next time, I'll give you some strategies of do's and don'ts as you want to ace the Ontario Paralegal Licensing exam. Thank you.